Now here, if secant 4a equals to cosecant of a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. In this question, we have to find the value of a. It is given that secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree. Now we know if two trigonometric ratios of acute angles are equal, then angles are also equal. So here it is secant, that is cosec. If cosec of one angle is equal to cosec of ratio of another angle, and both the angles are acute, then angles are also equal. So we make convert secant 4a in terms of cosecant by using the complementary ratio of complementary angles are equal. So complementary ratios of secant is cosecant, and complementary angle of 4a is 90 minus 4a. So we just write cosecant 90 minus 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree. Now cosecant ratio of one angle equal to cosecant ratio of another angle. So therefore angles are equal, both are acute angle, it is given. So we write 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. This gives you minus 4a minus a equals to minus 20 minus 90, that is 5a equals to 110 degree. So a is equal to 110 degree divided by 2, which is 5, which equals to 22 degree.